Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Got a package.
Another package.
Another package. There are a whole bunch of filters.
What kind of filters?
From my Pontiac.
Oh, because you were having that problem.
Yes, I don't have much room.
Wow, you got a lot of all kinds of filters. You got oil filters.
Filters. These are actually for the Pontiac. So next time I do an oil change, I got filters.
Nice.
All right. One of the last videos about the Pontiac, I was a little worried because I didn't have much room between the carburetor and the hood. If I put the air filter and it was going to hit the hood, I would have to cut the hood and put a hood scoop. I didn't want a hood scoop. You said it was fine. You didn't mind. It would look pretty cool with a hood scoop. I didn't want the hood scoop because I don't like it having a
Apparently, what I think don't matter. How many filters you got here?
A lot.
Do you think you're going to find one?
3 different.
Well,
oh, yeah,
anyway.
4 filters. I actually ordered the housing for the filters, the top and bottom.
Part?
The bottom part is dished in.
Oh, it sucks in from the top. Look.
Yes.
No, but see that? You can close the sides. It'll suck in from the top. All together.
I don't think I'm going to need that thin of a
Alright,
filter.
so you got one that's like what?
That's similar to
Half
this.
inch.
Now, the housing, the bottom housing of the filter, the bottom part, it's coned in. It's a dropped air filter setup.
The housing, you mean the bottom?
Yeah, the bottom, it fits into the carburetor.
That'll
so
save you a little here, a little there, you save a little here, a little there.
So, here.
Oh, you got your tins.
This is what I was talking about.
Oh yeah, look at that, it's recessed.
It goes in like that. And then there's this filter. I might be able to get away with this, I don't know. And then you got one more filter. This is actually thicker.
This one's 2.5. That's 2.5. This one's 2 1/4. This one's like, whatever you want to call it, it's like flat. And this one was, this one's 3. So this definitely ain't gonna work.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
You know what the Gong Show was? Never heard of the Gong Show?
No.
Tell everybody, I never heard of the Gong Show.
Never heard of the
Gong Show.
Gong
Because
show.
what happened was when somebody didn't make people laugh or did something that made no sense, they heard okay, a guy would walk over with a hammer, hit it, and the guy, the comedian that was there would have to leave. He lost. You're about to hear the same sound,
Wait, what?
okay, in about 2 seconds.
No.
Stop messing with me.
No, wait, what's it called?
You know another way to tell, right? Get a ruler.
Filthy. What'd you do to this
It's
thing?
all engineering, bro. Oh, but then again, you got a cone shape, so you can't use this. Never mind. That's cone shaped. It's not flat. Well, here's how you can tell. Give me the tape measure. 1/4 inch. Until that thing starts to kick into place. Now, from here, because tape measures are garbage, you can't read the first 20 lines. Your thing is right here. Now, you had a space of 1/4 inch on that side, and it would hit. Over here, you have a half. A little more than a half. That means you got plenty of room. So wait a minute. What did we measure the first time? 1/4. Then you have a half. You got a 1/2 inch difference right now? The difference of a 1/2 inch from the top of that vent. That's how you measure things in like reverse. It's called ghost measuring.
I guess. Alright.
I got an idea. Can I have your camera light thing to phone telephone? You got a flashlight that can go with this thing at the same time? Oh, it's on it?
No, that's what I call high tech.
Nice and easy. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Close it slow, gentle. Ready?
That's it. That's clear.
Okay, open it up.
Here's your phone.
I don't have to open it up.
What to do with it?
Did it move?
That's it. That's clear.
Okay, open it up.
What?
Oh, you need a longer bolt now. All right, whatever. Put a bigger bolt. All right, and that's it. You're good. Now,
With that being said,
I gotta get the hell out. I want my coffee.
not yet. Not yet. How mad are you about the weather today?
Pissed.
Show your emotion. No, I mean, no.
I don't have energy.
No.
That's the problem.
You do. Yeah,
I
you
don't have
do.
energy.
Where is he? Where is he? Guys, where is he? Oh.
It's Cassius Clay.
Oh.
Get out of there. Get back up. Stand right here with
No.
me. With me. Taking over the world.
One set of K&N filters at a time.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.